There are many unique and fascinating bird species around the world. One of them is the greater bird of paradise, a bird from New Guinea that is unique for these 5 reasons. One, exuberant plumage. The most striking feature of birds of paradise is the exuberant plumage of the males of the sexually dysmorphic species, the majority. In particular, the highly elongated and elaborate ones extending from their beak, wings, tail, or head. Some of the feathers are as delicate as lace, while others shine with a metallic golden sheen. Two, spectacular courtship displays. Adult males have feathers, frills, capes, lacy feathers, and/or skirts, with tails that can look like expandable fans, whips, braided threads, and much more, depending on the species. These tails may look pretty, but they are not very useful for flight. Instead, they are intended to help the male display any number of fantastic dance moves to attract as many females as possible and outwit rivals. 3. Habitat. They mostly inhabit tropical forests. 4. Diet. The diet of all species is dominated by fruit and, to a lesser extent, arthropods. 5. Varied breeding systems. Greater bird of paradise have a variety of breeding systems, ranging from monogamy to lek-type polygamy. These unique characteristics make the greater bird of paradise one of the most fascinating and exclusive birds in the world. Comment, tell me what you think. Like the video to support the channel and share. Thanks for watching.